Hi, I'm Mernush and I want to show you how you can automate your Slack notifications on your Formula. So to get started, I will create a new lead generation form. Let's imagine you have a lead generation form and you want to automate it so your sales team knows whenever a new lead has submitted your form. So I'll pick this form from the templates, edit the title so it suits my requirements, and this is my form. So let's imagine I've shared it with my audience and I'm waiting for them to submit it. Get to your Zapier, it's zapier.com, and log in, then click on the create Zap. It just takes a while to set up your Zap. Here, select Formula. And now for the first step, you must trigger an event in Formula. So I'll say new form entry because I want my trigger to be a new form entry. So whenever my form is submitted, it's considered a new entry. So it asks me to sign into my Formula, so it understands what are my forms and stuff. So I click on that. Here I'll choose formula.net. Then here's a link to get my login information. So it takes me here. I get to connections tab. Then in Formula, I have an API key and a secret. Paste it here. And for the secret key, paste it right there. So when I get back to my Zapier page, it just takes a while, and when I hit continue, my setup is my Formula is set up and ready to use, and I can choose my form. My form name is SEO content request, so I find it here and hit continue. So when my trigger is set up, I can test it right here. So it says there's no form entry, so I must get back to my form and submit my form so it can test whether my form works. So here we go. Let's just imagine I'm 17. And I'll just skip these questions and submit it. So my form is submitted. Now I should be able to test my trigger. Perfect. So I hit continue and my first step is done. Now I want to connect it to my Slack. So for the next step, for the second step, I should choose action and click on Slack. Here for the event, I want to send a channel message. So I select this and hit continue. Here it asks me to sign into Slack. So I click on this and allow the Slack to use my stuff. Great, so I hit continue. And there I should select my Slack channel. I'll say sales leads. which is a Slack channel I just created for this purpose. So for the message text, I'll say, hey, there's new lead. The email address, let's imagine I just want to share the email address here. So here I can click on show all options and I'll see all of my fields here, and I can select and your email address, which is a field in my form. So here are some more options you can choose to customize your action, and I hit continue. And there we go. So I click on test and continue, and I will receive a message in my Slack. So this is the email I just submitted in my test form. So you can see it here, and there we go. Just a very important step, you must turn on your Zap so it works. And by turning on my Zap, here we go, and everything is set up, and you can automate your Slack notifications in your Formalo account, and that's how it works. I hope it was helpful. If you have any comments or questions, just comment down below, and bye for now.